Good morning, students. We are enter into the very important part, that is the preparation of some important additional polymerization. This area, especially commutative exam point of view, very important, as well as board level also. So, my dear students, seriously focused on this area and listen very carefully. So, first of all, additional polymerization, preparation of some important polymers through additional polymerization. So once again, already you know that very well. What are the rules and regulations of additional polymerization? Monomers are unsaturated, no elimination of water molecule or ammonia or alcohol, and empirical formula of the reactant similar to the product formula. This is the rules and regulations of additional polymerization. Now in this concept, what kind of polymers, listen carefully, what kind of polymers are prepared, what kind of the polymers are prepared, what are the preparation method, the entire the information we will discuss in this class. See Nana, here already I discussed in the additional polymerization. Now we are going to discussing additional polymerization. What kind of the polymers are prepared through the additional polymerization? What is the basic point of if any one of the polymer through if any one of the polymer to prepare in the additional polymerization? Number first one is the monomers are unsaturated. So my dear students, based on unsaturation of the monomer, listen carefully, based on unsaturation, because of any polymer prepared through additional polymerization, monomers are compulsory unsaturated. So based on unsaturations of the monomers, polymers are mainly three category. This is the most important point. In entire the additional polymerization, three different category of the polymers are there. Number one, polyolefins. Number two, polyhaloolefins. Number three, polyacrylates. So my dear student, these three classification based on the unsaturations of the monomers. Already you know very well, in the additional polymerization, if any one of the monomer has unsaturated, that monomers are compulsory involved in the additional polymerization method and chain growth mechanism. So based on the monomers of unsaturated, the entire the polymers are three category. This is the most important thing is, number one is a polyolefin, polyhaloolefin, polyacrylate. This is category. And again, in case of polyolefin, number of polymers are there, and polyhalofen, number of polymers are there, but polyacrylate, number of polymers are there. But polyolefin, polyhaloolefin, polyacrylates, these three are the part of additional polymerization. So these three classification based on the unsaturations of the monomer. So the first category is polyolefin. My dear students, olefins means double bonded monomers. This is the most important point. Polyolefin, it means in this category of polymers, every monomer has double bonded. That is keep it in your mind. Polyolefin category of all polymers has double bond category of double bonded carbon atoms of monomers are there. It's clear? So olefin means double bonded hydrocarbons. See, in this category of polymers, the monomer unit should be contains double bonded. So the best examples are here from the polyolefin. Listen, Nana. Number one is a polyethylene. You know, polythene cover. Polythene cover is the category of polyolefin. It's prepared through the additional polymerization. The mechanism is, polyethylene mechanism is chain growth mechanism. What is the reason? The polyethylene, entire the polyethylene prepared through the additional polymerization. Additional polymerization polymers are generally involved in the chain growth mechanism. So my dear students, here one more important point. Polyethylene category is polyolefin. Polyethylene preparation method is additional polymerization. Polyethylene mechanism is chain growth mechanism. So don't confusion. So now from polyolefin, already I said olefin means double bonded. Here also ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2, and propylene is also double bond is there. Styrene is also double bond is there. So Here from the polyolefin in CBSE level, 3 examples are there: polyethylene or polypropylene or polystyrene. Now we are going to start the preparation method of the polyethylene. Already I told polyethylene is the category of olefins. Why it's called olefin? Ethylene group is a double bond, propylene group is a double bond, styrene group is also double bond. That's why these 3 polymers are, it's considered as the category of the polyolefins. It's clear, ma? Next one. See here. Now the first one, polyethylene, polythene cover. Already you know polythene cover. My dear students, in our day-to-day life, human beings are used 2 different type of polythene covers. Number 1 is the LDP polythene cover. Number 2 is the HDP polythene cover. Or LDP, another name is generally LDPE, HDP. The full form of the LDP, low density polythene or low density polyethylene. So low density polythene or low density polyethylene. And second one is the HDP. HDP is nothing but high density polythene or high density polyethylene. So my dear students, entire the polyethylene group, 2 types of the polythene covers are there: LDP, HDP, low density polythene, high density polythene. Now you will start how to prepare of preparation of the LDP, how the LDP polymers are prepared. See, LDP, what is the full form of LDP? Low density polyethylene. So sometimes in NEET level, LDP is the category of dash polymer, polyolefin category of the polymer. Why? Because here ethylene group is a double bonded carbon atom. That's why LDP, HDP, propylene, ethylene, these are all are the category of polyolefins. So now see LDP preparation. Just now we will check out the entire the information. What kind of mechanism is there? Because of polyethylene, chain growth mechanism. What kind of polymerization method is nothing but preparation method, additional polymerization method. So already I said, through additional polymerization, if any one of the polymer to prepare through additional polymerization, chain growth mechanism is there. In case of chain growth mechanism, definitely catalyst are required. So my dear student, this is a NEET area, focused very seriously. Synonym: LDP mechanism, chain growth mechanism, polymerization. Catalyst name is the dioxygen or benzyl peroxide. Now NEET bit is coming right now. In the preparation of LDP, what kind of catalyst are used? Dioxygen or benzyl peroxide. And temperature. So in the preparation of LDP, temperature is 350 kelvins to 570 kelvins. And pressure is 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. Why this much of pressure are used? Because low density, we want thin polythene cover, definitely you applied high pressure. It's clear, students? Now here see the preparation. Ethylene group, n number of ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2 means n number of ethylene groups in the presence of either dioxygen or peroxide, and 350 kelvins to 570 kelvin, 1000 to 2000 atmosphere pressure, ultimately polythene cover is formed. Polythene cover is formed. So this is what kind of polythene cover? LDP polythene cover. This is a LDP polythene cover. This is the important points is in the preparation of LDP, what catalyst are used? Dioxygen. Optimum condition is 350 kelvins to 570 kelvins, 1000 to 2000 atmosphere. Now the LDP properties. LDP, it means low density polythenes are generally transparented polymers. Transparented polymer. Generally, my dear students, this kind of the polythene cover is used in the cloth shops, generally sari shops, because of saris keep it in the some plastic cover. So it's because it's a transparented polymer, it's can easily to visible. So through this polymer, and moderated tensile strength, it's not a high, moderated tensile strength, chemically inert because of this polythene. That is the reason nowadays polythene covers are banded because of it is not a decomposed in the earth crust. That's a chemically inert and it act as a insulator, bad conductor of electricity. It's not passes through electricity through itself, so it is a bad conductor of electricity. And fourth important point is it is a tough but is a flexible, so it's carry weight but very flexible. It can easily to molded. It's flexible. Especially examples of LDP. See here examples of LDP: cable insulator, toys, packaging, covers, and cable wires, etc. So this is a part of LDP. This is the most important thing, Nana. Once again I repeated some important part. LDP is a part of polyethylene, low density polyethylene. The LDP polyethylene is a category of polyolefin. Why it's called polyolefin? Because of ethylene group has unsaturated. Already see here double bonded groups are there. So I hope understood this video. The next class is HDP. Okay.